BlueCuber.
Hi, today I'm going to be trying to find out what happens if I lube a very old Rubik's Cube from about 30 years ago. So this is my lubricant. It's the fastest one I have, and to compare, this turning is really bad. It is pretty stable, but that's just because it's really slow. And I don't turn too fast, so it doesn't make it too uncontrollable, but it is too slow for me. And to compare, this is a pretty slow cube I have, and now it just feels really fast. And now let's see what happens if we lubricate it. So I'm going to start off small, then get bigger. Let's start off with 3 drops. Now what to do is just, we have to break it in by doing many turns. Okay. It's gotten better, but still bad, probably because of its corner cutting. I think it's still pretty slow, so let's just add a little more. So another 3 drops. Almost the cap. And here we go. It's gotten better and a little faster, but it just keeps getting caught. So by lubing it up, it's not going to solve that problem. We might have to take it apart, but that's not what we're going to do in this video. So after lubing it, I find that this cube turns a little bit better, but still very slow, and it doesn't make a very big difference to it. And it doesn't solve all the problems just because it cannot reverse corner cut at all. But that is my comparison. Thanks for watching, and I'm BlueCuber. Bye.